Alright, so welcome back to the channel. Yeah, welcome back to Bojo and Simong. So for today's video, we are playing 2v2. Siyempre magkakampi kami ulit ni Doy dito sa Philippine Navy. So for our match, it's going to be match play. Tapos best scramble. Tapos it's going to be 50 pesos for every point na mananalo, pero it's match play. Then whoever wins the whole match will be given 200 pesos also each. Each yun, no? Bodge, 50 per head. O 50, 25. Team na yon. So 25. Okay. Tapos 100 para total 200.
Sa final score?
Ah.
Kasi lahat per team na yun. So 200 tayo
sa team. Tapos 50 as team also. Okay. Alright. Gusto nyo rin bang lagyan ng Team Olympics? Sige, Team Olympics din. 50 din?
15, laki na.
Ako 20. Hindi magkakalayo yan unless may maka-hold out. Ilang sinubukan na namin? 50? Sige.
50 per point?
Sa Oli? 25 pesos lang naman eh. And tapos we're also with Chris. Good luck, partner! Ang ating record na 2, ano ba tayo? 2-8? 2-8 yata. Okay. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you.
Ay, syempre ang aking caddy ngayon si Jong. Jong Pasuyo pa video naman. Maganda naman drive mo, nakita ko. Gitna.
Naglobo lang konti.
Okay lang.
Finish up to. Ito naman lang. Sabi mo mag-ano.
Bumalik, gitna.
Wow! Saan kinuha niya ngayon? Sika rin na nakakiti.
Yan.
Parang ni-ruler oh. Miskit pa yun ha? Miskit pa yun. Ayun, behind pa?
At yan, so sila ang team. Matagal talaga hindi ko na nakikita tong tandem na to And Bojo and Noel tandem, matagal ko na hindi nakikita. Ayan si Noel. Good luck, brother.
Hindi naman po.
Good luck.
Kasi
Ah,
year end.
year end. Tapos yan si Mongs. Good luck, brother.
Good luck sa amin.
Tsaka ang iyong caddy. Yan. Ang pangalan mo ulit pala yung Richie. Si Richie. Ayan. Tapos kilala nyo na to si Meow Meow Meow. Di ba? Meow 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 Meow. Tapos kami ni Jong. So we're taking my tee shot. So si Doy will play safe. Ako bahala na siguro go for it. Pero hindi aabot to. Malayo. After visiting Japan, parang hindi na ako pupunta sa ibang bansa. Parang kumpleto
Sabi
na
nga ng
din.
daughter ko, dapat next.
Okay, Team Bojo and Mongs. They are taking Bojo's tee shot. Malayo pa. Mga 250 to the flag. So, laying up lang with 3 wood. Middle na. Kabig lang. Puli-puli. Okay, for our second shot, we're left at around 100 yards. This is my second shot. Kanan lang. Kanan lang si Doy. Sobra. 60 na lang, Jong. Okay, 105 yards. Hitting a 60-degree wedge.
Nice. Kick right. Wow! Parang short ng konti.
Hindi na lang na konti. Bojo and Mongs. Almost the same distance, 105. Kaliwa din nakabig.
Ayun oh!
Tumama, bumalik. Tumama sa puno. Tapos bumalik.
Oo, gitnang gitna.
Pero to the green.
Green, oh, green. Sinaril eh.
Ayan, maganda.
Ay naman pala eh. Parang short eh. Okay lang.
Okay, both teams just outside. Parehong mga Olympian. Kami, we have... Wag kang papasok! Muntik pa kami. Okay, we have 12 yards left to right. So currently, this is my third shot as well. So this is to go up and down for par also. Same si Jong at saka, si Jong, si Bojo and si Monks. Mahina.
Go! Go! Galing ah.
Ganda yan, brother. Ayun, bilis ah. Ang bilis. Ang bilis. Okay lang. Okay, we're taking my chip, I assume, for 1 point. Okay, mas malayo sila Monks at saka sila Bojo ng kalahating bola. So both teams putting for par. So this is for their 2 points. Kuha. Good putt. Good par. 2 points. Hindi na ako pagpapat ni Mr. Raimundo. Par and 4 is guligan. Reverse psychology ah. Ang aga ng trash talk. Nako! Lumaylay.
Kasi gusto niya, pakita mo yung clutch jeans mo.
Hindi nga.
Tama siya. Kasi yung dati mong putter.
Nasa akin pa.
Isang spider.
Hindi, ano yun? Odyssey.
Okay dito kasi may ball picker. Ito yung ano eh.
Okay, hole number 2. Match is still all square. Tapos Olympics 2-1 kami. So hole number 2 is 447 yards. Oo.
Ano siya eh, no? Hindi siya pricey.
Not so much. Pero solid pa rin. Solid. Draw. Sige pa. Okay yan.
Very chicken.
Alright. Yeah, chicken fish. Okay lang yun, brother. Kanan din.
Wow!
Nice.
Wow! Wow! Yeah!
Okay, Monks and Bojo. This is their second shot. They're left with roughly 220 yards siguro. 230. That is Monks' tee shot. Tumira na si Monks. Ganda! Kaliwa lang sa linya ng bunker. Di pa pala tumitira si Monks. Kay Chris pala yan. So, ilang yards kayo, Bods? 220. Ganun din, parehong-pareho.
Okay, safe. Parehas.
Okay, this is our second shot. Left with 170 yards. Hitting an 8 iron, play short.
Yes. Sobra mo! Sobra nga! Watch yun. Sabi si 9 eh. Kung ginawa mo tayo. Patong ka.
Ang ganda ng tama.
Ang tagal mo
Pero
ba?
hindi naman sa bunker yan di ba?
Nagpas ba yun?
Masyado maganda yung tama. Nag-carry sa likod. Over. Yun yung mga tirang bad trip ka pero masaya kasi ang ganda, sobrang lutong. That was 170 yards carried. Mga 180 with an 8 iron. Samba. Okay, we're taking Doy's second shot. Kasi mine went to the bunker. So yun yung tira ni Monks. Dikit na sila. Kasi ito si Bojo. Ay, chokoy. 60 yards. Ito video na lang.
Grabe putek.
Ay, grabe putek. Mukha ko pumama. Okay, at least both teams putting for par. Si Bojo and Monks for 2 points and their par. Laylay. Nauna ang trash talk. Okay, we have a chance. We have a chance. This is to go with the spot for par is to go 1 up and to tie the Olympics. Kulang pa oh. Kaya nga.
Hindi umabot. Hindi umabot.
Yabang!
Ang firm na naman. Okay, hole number 3. It's playing 190 yards. Naku, ang ganda. Kaliwa lang. Pero baka patong. Ayun, kumiklit.
Can I go?
Go ahead. Naku, nag-draw. Safe mo lang. Ayun. Okay.
Parehas lang tayo eh. Scramble talaga. Sobra nga.
Manang tuloy.
Sobra. Diretso sobra din eh. Sobra yung...
Ang bunker.
We are taking my tee shot. Went right off the fairway, ay the green. Tapos sila, Bojo naman, left off the fairway naman kami. So parehas, pagalingan na lang ng short game to. Maganda. Maganda. Layo mo ng konti. Good shot, Bodge! Okay, we have 20 yards to the flag, left to right. No green to work with. Problema, hindi ako nakakanip ngayon. Ganda, Doy! Ay, kaso nag-top spin. Lakas din! Ay, we are putting for 2 points. Sila 1 point. Parang na-push. Ay, nakabig. Okay, we have...
Ang lakas.
Oh, the door
Uy.
is open!
To Bojo and Mongs to take the lead to go 1 up. Nakakuha! Okay, 1 up and 1 point. Okay, hole number 3. Hole number 4. 324 yards. So, they are currently 1 up. Then sa Olympics, it's 3-1. Okay. Sige, Kerry. Huwag ka lang mag-stymie.
Wow!
Good shot, brother. Okay. Naliwala. Ganda! Beauty!
Driver Noel! Para makapractice. Tip yun.
Oh, safe yun. Pumasok lang sa kabila, kanan ng cart path.
Post. Talaga?
Oh, right of the cart path. Ganda, gitnang gitna.
Dumiretso din!
Gitnang gitna.
Yan, nice shot.
Bojo and Mongs. Ilang yards kayo, Bodge? Left with 100. Around 110 yards. They are taking Bojo's tee shot. Ganda. Over the green lang.
Nice. Sobrang right aim ko. Pero okay lang. At least green na.
Oh, patong. Tsaka wala, ang hirap ng pin placement eh. Kaliwa lang, kabig.
Huwag mo ipataw mo. Mas maganda doon. Short. Ay, sobrang short.
Inuulim. Okay, for our second shot, taking my tee shot. We have 85 yards to the flag. Ang hirap ng pin placement. Tirang mga 80. Front pin, aim right. Ay, laking kanan naman.
Ako short. Go!
Mahina.
Please!
Maling tira. Dahil pala ni-regular na tira ko. I tried it. I tried hitting it in front of my stance. Dapat pala, basta mapatong lang sa green. Maling diskarte. Okay. They are taking kay Mongs from the outside para yata sa Olympics. Malayo kasi yung putt ni Bojo. Hindi konti. Sa may puno. Kita mo yung puno sa kanan? Ito. Yung right, di ba right beside the flag? Yun. Parang pwedeng kanan pa nga ng konti. Depende naman sa saan mo mapapabagsak eh. Lakas. Okay. Mag-iimbento na naman ako. Flop shot. Na-flop ko naman. Malakas lang. Choosing to go Olympics. Pero wala rin papabagsakan dyan eh. Mahirap talaga yung pin placement. It's severe downhill. Ganda.
Ganda naman.
Yun, short. Ayun pa, Olympics pa. Oh, pwede rin yan. Ayan, mas maganda yan. Pang Olympics. Okay, we have this spot for par ba to? For par, ano? Oh, for par and for 2 points. Malapit na yung kanila, ano, Bojo. Pasok.
Oh, delikado
Ooh.
pa.
Hindi ganun kabagal, ah.
Ay, yung mahabot.
Okay, Monks and Bojo. Let's see if their strategy will pay off. This is to go 2 up and 2 points. Ha? Mukhang tatalo na rin yata. Ah, 1 point pala. Okay. Nice spot.
May natin.
Okay, hole number 5. Buti na lang. So 3 pa rin sila sa Olympics. 1 kami. They're still 1 up. Playing 115 yards. Hitting a 50-degree wedge. Draw! Patok yan, brother. Good shot. Nice shot. Naku, ganda. Kanan lang. Parang short. Short, yeah. Longer.
Ay, naku. Oh, paano tama?
Wrong in one nga.
Oo, kanan. Sana patong para malayo.
Hindi nag-drop. Okay, Bojo and Monks just outside of the green. Kami we're taking Doy's shot, tee shot. So we have a birdie opportunity. Ito Olympics ang pinipili nila, Bojo eh. Wag mo lang i-shoot! Wag mong i-shoot! Okay, 1 point. Okay, they're in for 1 point at least. So this is a chance for 3 points pa. And for birdie. Wala short.
Yun.
Muntik pa kami! Parang mahina. Abot! Ay, sayang. Ganda ng linya.
Layo.
Hindi bumali, Wid. Ano binigay mo?
Layo.
Okay, so Putting Olympics 4-1 na. Tapos match 1 up pa rin sila. So hole number 6 playing 343 yards. Ganda, Doy! Huwag ka lang sasabit, please. Huwag kang sumabit.
Perfect.
Sumabit.
Lang ng phone.
Ganda. Draw. Pumasok. Ayun, bumalik na naman.
Uy, tumama.
Tawid.
Grabe, pinutol yung mga puno.
Parang sa
Lusot.
dulo tumama.
Lusot.
Parang sa dulo.
Kaya ang hirap 105 yards to the flag. Ano kayang klaseng tira? Kailangan draw. Subukan ko draw. Ayan, at least safe. Okay na yan. Okay lang yan, brother. Yun ang mausapan natin sa play safe. Na hindi sadya. Okay. Since safe naman na si Doy, tingnan ko kung kaya ko mapapa-draw. Or halos hook na nga ito eh. 105 yards. Come on, reach. Nag-draw? Yeah, baby. Ay, sobra. Ay, bumangker pa.
Lang, bunker.
Ganda, Bojo and Monks left with less than 100 yards for their second shot. They are taking, I think that is Monks tee shot. Naku, birdie pa. Galing naman. Yari din. They might be in for birdie. Short. Olympian. Okay, we are taking my second shot para lang may chance for Olympics ng Sandy Par. This is, yan, that's Bojo's second shot for their birdie. So potentially may 1 point pa sila sa Olympics. 17 yards right to left. Go! Go, 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 go. Alright. Good try, brother. Bilis-bilis lang. Okay, we have this par putt for potentially for 2 points plus 1 kasi sandy par. Sila putting for birdie. Para lang this one, we need to make this para to avoid going 2 down. Uy, bumali pa.
Yun!
Ka!
Sayang! Bad trip. Di bumali.
Hindi tumulo yung bali, no?
Pwede isang bola lang. No? Puro bogey ah.
Trip naman yun. Okay, they're currently 2 up na. This is just for Olympics. If makukuha nila ang... hindi. Ay, sige, ito pala. Maganda pala yun. 3. So 1 plus 1. 6-1 tayo. 6-1 sa Olympics. Tapos 2 up. Okay, hole number 7. 327 yards.
Nice!
Tawid mo! Huwag ka mas timing.
Tumama sa puno.
Palo mo?
Oy,
Uy.
Kick right. Okay.
Ano, sorry?
Bumalik pa.
Bumalik na naman?
Hoy!
Yun, sabi ko na huwag kang mag-cart putt eh.
Ayun, bumalik.
Uy, puta kayo na 3 beses sa cart putt.
Grabe. Kaya ko mabalik na sa fairway eh.
Right lang.
4! Right!
So we're taking Doy's tee shot. Stymie kami. Mukhang sila din naman. We're left with 120 yards. We need to punch out. My tee shot went right. Wala yatang tira sa taas. Tumira na si Monks. Di ko na videoan. 120 yards. Huwag kang sasabit. Ang taas. Nag-Olympian yun? Nalagpas yun? Pumatong pala sila sa fringe pala yung tira ni Bojo. So that's their birdie chance. We're taking my second shot. 16 yards. To go up and down for par. Sila Bojo up and down.
Op!
Lagpas pa rin, no? Napakalambot na nung tira ko ngayon. Okay, tumira na si Bojo. That is their par putt. So Mongski potentially for 3 and for 3 points and for par. Ay, for par. For 3 points and for birdie. Mahina. Feeling ko mas maganda yan, Mongs. Okay kami for 2 points. Okay, change strategy kami. Mamuna ako mag-putt. Ang tingin ni Jong left to right. Ang tingin ko right to left. Saan na target mo? Left inside. Left inside.
Yun! Uy!
Side.
Come on for 2 points. Ang hina.
Oh, sayang.
Dami natin ganun ah. Galing! 9-1. Number 8. 9-1 na ang aming score. Hole number 8 is playing 148 yards. Kaya naman, pero pag ganitong 4-man scramble kasi binibidyohan lahat talaga. Kaliwa. Nakarma din si Bojo. Yun din. We might have a chance.
Right. Sayang yun.
Yung ganda na.
Okay, Monks and Bojo taking Bojo's tee shot. left of the fairway. 32 yards. No green to work with. Floppy doo. Safe na safe.
Okay, safe. Oh, pwede ako maging cute.
You can be cute with it.
Okay, game.
Naku, ganda. Yun, buti sumabit. Buti na lang sumabit. Buti sumabit. Okay, kami rin. Mahirap for taking my tee shot. No green to work with. Kailangan lang malabas to. Potentially for an additional point.
Pasok. Muntik pa, tinamaan.
Bojo for 2 points and for their par. Kami 1 point lang. Naku, pinapila. Pinalakad nga talaga si ano. Bad trip. sayang. Naku. Ayun, wala. Sayang, bad trip. Okay, potentially for 3 points to win the hole, sandy par, and for 1 point sa Olympics.
Ay, salamat! Uy!
Balik pa sa dulo.
Shit!
Diretso na eh.
Nauna yung yabang! Shit!
Yon. Okay. Nice spot, partner. Okay. 9-4. Hoy, attorney. Puro attorney pala kasama namin dito.
9-4, no?
Na-shoot din.
Alam ko, nandyan ka eh.
Mga idol. Ikaw lang, attorney.
T-shirt to!
Ang mga grupo namin dito.
Napanood ko yung pating triple bogey ni Doy.
For 3. Okay, hole number 9. Finally, we're on the board. Wow. Beauty. Oh, flat. Okay, we are taking Doy's tee shot. Kabig na kabig yung akin. Hindi gumana si Tempo Town. So we're both hitting 3 wood. Beautiful! Gitna. Uminit na ang partner ko. Okay. Kanina init ng ulo eh.
Uy, kaliwa.
Grabe yung reach ah. Wait. Dito ako nakaharap.
Saan? Dito? Okay, Bojo and Mongs taking... Bojo sa ito, no? Okay.
Oh no!
May tubig nga sa harap! Oh, 3 points! Na-trash talk ni Doy. Doy, ano naman to? Tubig pa rin. bigla hindi siya DOD mo na, turo mo sa akin. No, ganun din! Layup. Good layup. Grabe yung behind. Monks and Bojo's third shot. Ayun, kaliwa. At least may opening tayo. Ang DOD eh, magpe-fade. 4. Okay, safe. So far, this is a Mr. Raimundo hole. Taking his second shot. Left with 155 yards. I'm hitting a 9 iron. Ganda, Doy! Patong mo eh! Patong eh! Nice shot, brother! Kaliwa. Nice shot. Doy hole. Nice shot, brother.
Ganda yung linya.
Okay. Looks like mukhang dikit yata kami for our birdie chance. Pareho kaming patong ni Doy. Okay, Monks and Bojo around 50 yards to the flag. To go up and down for par na sila. And this is their... Ay, short. That's their fourth shot. Ito. Playing 4 to. Up and down for par. Malas naman. Akala ko ang ganda ng linya ng akin. Short na short pala. Kasi against the wind din eh. Akala ko aabot ang 9. Bojo. To go up and down for their par. Naku, short din. Hindi na, wala na sandy par yan unless ma-shoot nila.
Butas na natin.
For their par. Pag na-shoot, sandy par.
Sama talaga.
May bite.
Pero mas marami yung walang iba.
Okay, that's for their bogey. Bad trip. Okay, we're taking my third shot. 16 yards left to right. Sana Chipinski for birdie, pero up and down for par. Ganda, Doy. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay lang ah. Nauna yung bad trip eh. Oh, na-behind ng konti.
Nice one. Shoot mo! Shoot mo! Yes.
1 point. Okay, Monks and Bojo for bogey and 2 points. Mahina.
Uy, ba't ang laki ng bali doon?
Ganun talaga. Ay, sayang, no? Laki, no? Puro trash talk na. Good na yan, brother. Draw mo pa. Ganda ng draw. Patong yan, brother. Tama na. Okay lang. Birdie chance. Kanan lang. Okay, at least patong naman na si Doy. For right.
Four!
Mousy and Bojo just outside. They're taking Bojo's tee shot. Naku, hina. Olympian naman masyado. To the flag. Tirang mga 10. Ganda! Lagpas mo! Sige pa! Okay, buti na. Sayang, di tumigil! Okay, so if ever we make this putt, it's for 4 points to take the lead. We're currently at 9-6. 9 paces taking Doy's tee shot.
Mahina.
Go!
Mahina lang. Mahina lang.
Laksa mo pa, bro. Abot!
Okay, if they make this, sila lang ang may point. Naku, bitin din! Okay. Ay! Okay, buti na sobrang sa firm! Bad trip! Okay, 9-5. 9-5, buti na lang. Pero clutch yung putt na yun. Correction. Ang score pala is 9-7. Okay, 2 points na lang hinahabol namin. Okay, hole number 11. Oh, 9-7 na ang score. 295 yards. Ay, nako, delikado. Yan, nice shot. Ha? What scoop? Nice shot, brother. Hindi na nagsuscoop yan, lalo na baby draw na yan. Clutch naman, bunker. Naku, bad trip na bunker. Short. Dadong pa sa'yo.
Bunker.
3 points! Sayang!
Hindi.
Tumalbog lang. Malapit yun.
Okay, we are taking Doy's first shot, tee shot. We're left with 120 yards to the flag. Sinubukan kong itawid yung bunker. Di kaya against the wind. So hitting a 50-degree wedge. Ay, nagdraw. Over the bunker. Over naman.
Maliwa din.
Ang laki naman ng kinaliwa.
Doon gusto.
Uy, they're taking Bojo's tee shot. Around 120 yards also. Nabola. Bunker! Bad trip, bunker!
Hindi, kasi gusto namin ng Sandy para sa amin.
Ganun din, oh. Kaliwa din, oh. Magkakasama. Ayun, lower din. Magkakasama kami dun. Okay, both teams magkatabi lang kami para kami may meeting. 13 yards. Double break. Kung saan mo na papabagsakin. Okay, parehong up and down for par.
Ay, hina.
Sabi sa'yo, yung lie dito sinasabi ko eh.
Pero,
Ganda, Joy.
wow.
Nag-boost lang, ganda. Okay. Okay na yan. Nice shot, Doy. Nice shot. Buti na lang.
Malakas.
Una mo.
Okay, buti lang maganda yung kay Doy. For par. Okay, this is for their par. For par din. Pero outside. Trying to get the 3 points sila eh. Ganda!
Ganda!
Hoy, criminal! Criminal distance.
Hindi na magbimintis yan. Okay na yan, okay na yan.
Binigay na, binigay
Oh,
na.
okay na yan, Monks. Sabi sa'yo. Baliktad yung pectus ha. Baliktad yung pectus. Okay. We have this spot for 3 points.
There's a chance!
Okay. Uy, na-push! Na-push siya. Ano ba yun? Nagmintis pa kami. Sayang. What a terrible hole for us. Sayang. Kuha na namin yun eh. Okay lang, bawi. So 10-3. Tapos hole number 12. Playing 142 yards with the wind. Might be hitting a pitching wedge.
So, no blood.
Oh, pero kuha nila yung point sa Oli.
Yan ang mati.
Patong yun. Wow, dikit pa! Nice shot, Monks. Ganda rin.
Ganda rin. Abot ba? Para taas eh.
I mean, at least patong.
Oy!
Draw! Sandy par. Sandy par. Bunker. Okay. Ako delikado.
Nice shot. Patay.
Going for the sandy par. Left to right.
Ay, nabula.
Manipis eh. Manipis nung ano? Hindi kasi, tira mo, matigas yung ground. Okay, we have this par putt +1 if ever because of the sandy par. Pero 2 points sa Olympics. Sila birdie to win the whole 1 +1 sa Olympics. So 3-3 parehas.
Ano, lumiko pa rin.
Ano? Hindi rin bumaliw. Oh, nalis. Wala din. Pero kuha niyo yung stroke. Ay, so kuha niyo yung ano, yung match, no, yung hole. Alright, hole number 13. So sa skins namin yung points, they are up 11, we are at 7. Uy, for right. Naku, kanan din. Okay lang, GOR yan.
Uy!
Kanan din. Tumama sa puno, nakita ko nag-bounce dun. Sa baba. Cut! Ay, hindi nag-cut. Sayang, ganda sana. Far left! Sayang, open yung aking tee shot. Tumira na si Doy, safe na siya. So I'm playing safe also with a 5 iron. Okay, for our third shot, taking my second shot. We're left with 115 yards to the flag. Left to right. Hitting 50 degrees. Behind. Safe mo lang. Okay, safe.
Yun, oh.
Ganda.
Diretso. Nasa likod pa ng kere, oh. Sa taas.
Talaga dati. Okay, si Bojo and ay kaliwa si Bojo. Olympian talaga. Okay, Monkski. Kung ako 1:15, siguro sila mga nasa 1:30 to the flag. Kanina against the wind, di nawala. Kaliwa din. Ay, hindi, kaliwa. Tama, green. Ganda. Patang. Hindi kita. We are looking at sobrang severe downhill. 11 yards. Sila Monks putting for birdie na. Kami up and down for par. Malakas.
Ang ganda naman yan.
Galing, pasok. Akala ko malakas. Nice shot, brother. Nice one, partner. Oo.
Maganda yan.
Ay, malakas.
Ay, nag-fringe.
Palakas.
Par in one. Okay, this is for 4 points ni Bojo at saka ni Mongs. 2 points for Olympics, 1 point for the match play. Tapos additional for the birdie. That's good. Okay na yan? Right to left. Firm. Isang bola bibigay ko, brother, ha?
Isang bola.
This is to go 11-8.
Look! Likot na naman, oh.
Malas talaga.
Okay, hole number 14.
Ayun.
Isa yun, kasama yun. Isa. Ganda.
Ganda naman.
Perfect.
Away mo na.
Oh, nice shot, Budge.
Nice shot.
Wala, baka salubong sa wife with the family of the wife. Sa 25, family ko naman. Long drive.
Pwede mong laksan yung...
Good shot, Monks.
Uy, kung maliwa din.
Masyado kong pinanggigigilan. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. Course management lang kami. Huwag kang sasabit, lusot mo. Okay, brother, good shot. Good shot. Okay, kaliwa lang ng fairway.
Yung malo.
Pot! Okay. Po join Monks taking Monks tee shot. Kasi mas malapit. Parang 9th hole ulit, ah.
So, doon tayo sa akin.
Monks and Bojo. Mga 150, 170 yards. For their third shot. Yung kaliwa. Pero with the wind, brother.
Pero
So, kaya. Oh, short lang si Monks. Okay, we are taking Doy's second shot. We're left with 110 yards. Crosswind. We have a slight opening to go up and down for birdie. 110 yards. Okay lang, gulong mo. Gugulong yan, papatong yan. Dikit, tama na. Longest spot. Big pa rin, kulang ako sa kanan.
Sobrang kano na nga yung aim mo eh.
Uber pa rin.
Kasi nag-overclub ako eh. Sinusubukan ko i-relax sa palo eh. Okay. Monks and Bojo to go up and down for their par. Olympian! Oh, pumasok. Yan, dikit. Flat. Taking Doy's third shot. Grabe naman yun. Sobra. Pwede pala 60, ano? Bali. Ah, parang right to left.
Oh, 3-putt territory. Ilan ba? Oh, 3-putt territory.
Wala.
Malas talaga. Good putt. 2 points! Grabe, hole number 15. Ngayon lang nagfe-fade bola ni Doy ah. Kanan lang din.
Yun! Yun, maganda.
Ganda rin. Ganda din. Hindi abot yun. Okay, we're left with 175 yards. Magkadikit lang kami ni Mongski. Might hit 7 iron. Ganda. Okay na yan. Tawid mo lang sa bunker. Angat. Ay. Ayun! Ay! Bumalik! Bumalik sa bunker.
Against the wind. Yes. Against the wind, Luigi. Abot. Ay, abot pa din. Grabe. Patong na yun.
Para sa kaliwa lang. Ewan ko kung pumatok. Naku, bad trip. Baka ma-OB. Hindi ako. Safe yan.
Oh,
Okay, kaliwa.
Olympics lang. Yun, no?
Ganda nga.
Iba yung 4 iron mo, parang hybrid yung ano niya, no? Perfect. Perfect.
Patong, brother. Dumikit. Bumababa.
Pato, may backspin.
Back of the green.
Hindi, fringe. Sakto, Olympics.
Grabe, parehas kaming putting. Both teams putting for eagle. Pero mas malayo sila, Monks. By 1 foot, 2 feet. Kami were 14 paces. Parang sila there around 15 to 16. Mahina yun.
Bale. Tama. Oh, that's smart.
Ganda na speed. Make a ball. Nahina niyan. We need to hit this close para for birdie 1 point. Mabawasan lang. Ang hina yata. Baba. Bali. Sige, take it. Take the break. Take the break. Nice one, Doy. Nice one. Okay, birdie, take na daw. Bilis, bago magbago isip. Ang ganda na speed nung kay Doy. Doy, medyo bibigyan ko na ng chance to ha.
Teko. Kanan. Siya.
Kailangan natin ma-shoot ko din. Laki ng... Nice one, pare.
Buti na kaya.
There's one Jong. Woo! Nakaisa yan, layo. Okay, to get 1 point for birdie. Good bird. Okay, so 15-11. Okay, that was a great eagle. Okay, pero tambak pa rin kami. 15-11. So hole number 16, it's playing na 100 yards. Hindi ko alam kung 56 pa rin. Baka lamang 56 pa rin.
Ganda. Kick left. Sobra.
Okay, sobra lang. Hindi nag-back spin. Kaliwa lang.
Kick right. Uy, sobra. Ang layo naman nun.
Okay, 2 points. Ay, kana, buka. Okay lang, brother.
Sobra din yun.
Ganda, Mongs.
Parang short.
Ay, Ganda talaga para sa amin. Kung sila Bojo at saka si Monks, they're putting for birdie pero mas malayo for 2 points. So 2 plus 1 if ever. Tapos kami we're taking my tee shot 10 yards right to left for birdie as well.
Parang banda rito na 13 pero.
Na-atching ako nung pagpapat si Bojo. Good layup.
Alam mo malakas pero sakto yan.
Sakto lang. Sakto yung putt nila. They are already in for par. Pero at least wala silang nakuha point. Ganda Doy. Ay kulang pa nga oh. Okay, at least in for par na rin.
Malakas yata. Malakas.
Hindi bumagal.
Okay, hole number 17. Playing 182 yards. Kaliwa. Ganda, Doy! Patong mo, baby! Oo, patong. Okay. Oh, fringe mo. Fringe mo. Ay, lumabas pa. Parang driving. Naku. Beg 2. Huwag ka lang tumubig. Okay. At least hindi at least hindi bunker rots.
Ay, kumakaliwa.
Parang over the bunker.
Lagpas ang bunker yata.
Okay, we are both teams outside of the green. So, sa Olympics na lang siguro to. We have 16. We're taking Doy's tee shot right to left, 16 yards right to left. Tama ba yun, Dong? Tama ba yung sinabi ko? Tama. Go, please go.
Sure po.
Anong bagal, ano? Anong kabagal yun, ah? Okay. 2 points mo lang kami. 2 points mo lang kami. Okay. 2 points mo lang kami. Mahina.
Ba't nag-bite?
Kung ako sa inyo, kunin nyo na yung 2 points. Okay, we have this par putt for 2 points. Kuha. Okay, 2 points par. Nice one, Doy. Yung ganyan kalapit yung clutch na, no? Kasi kanina pa minimintis. Good putt. Okay. Last hole na kami. Hole number 18. Nako, layo ng second shot nila ngayon. Sige pa, go. Layo mo lang. Dikit mo lang. Tubig. Gulong. Ah, maganda. Clutch. Okay.
Sabi ko na eh, Luigi.
Alright!
Doon ka naka-aim eh. Sabi ko, idodraw ba to ni Luigi?
Medyo ina-anticipate ko yung draw.
Sabi ko, idodraw niya ba?
Naku, nanggigil masyado. Laglag. Okay. 250 yards. Na-scoop. Hindi, wala naman talaga. Mahirap tong butas na to. Okay, we are taking my tee shot. Medyo right. Hindi nag-draw. Akala ko mag-draw. Left with 235 yards to the flag with the wind.
Nice shot.
Ganda. Okay na lang eh. Safe. Okay lang eh.
Uy, sumabit.
Okay. Pumalo na si Bojo. They're already on the green. Yan. So around 130 yards to the flag for Monkski. 80. Pero with the wind. Short din, kaliwa. Okay, we are taking Doy's second shot Unfortunately, sumabit yung sa akin. We're left with 80 yards. Left to right to Jong, di ba? O right to left? Right to left. Tapos with the wind. Ganda, Doy!
Atong mo na.
Dikit mo na.
Yes, nice shot.
Ay, short lang.
Yan lang. Malayo pa.
Ganda ng linya. Short.
Uy.
Kanan pa. Olympics na lang magkakatalo dito. 16-13 tama, 16-13. So pag ma-shoot namin, tie. Tapos magbintis sila. 16-13 ang aming ano. So we need to make this. Ha?
Sabi mo kanina, 175 each kayo.
Ah, yan.
Ah, pag gano. Mahina, Doy.
Mahina pa rin.
Mahina.
Abot ka.
Kala ko dali.
Sayang!
Umabot.
Konti na lang. Konting lakas, pasok. Konting lakas. Tama yung direksyon.
Sa'yo na pa!
Ah, okay, okay. Hindi, wala na. Talo na kami. Ay, sa bagay, dagdag ano yun? Dagdag 2.
1 o 2 points yung shoot.
Whole at saka Olympics.
Yun o.
Wala. Ah, buti na lang. Good round, partner. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Good round, good round. Merry Christmas. Tapos tayo 16-13, panalo kayo sa stroke. So talo kami 175. Oh, 175 each. Good round, partner.
Plus yung ano pa. Hindi, yun na yun.
Wag mo na. Nice shot.